Hi guys, we are going to talk about the 5 interface zones of Virtual DJ. Now, the first one we have is browser, sampler, effects, and record. These are the four. Now, under the browser, we have also four types of it, or as we can say, the four structures under it. The first one is called the file system or the folder structure, which we can see the files that this computer has. Next is the file or the search results. It is actually gonna be seen here. Next is the Automix playlist. This is the Automix playlist. And lastly, the side list. Now, how about we put some songs to it? We are going to go back to the file system or the folder structure and press this. Now, once we press it, all the songs in the file are shown here in the file or search results. Now let's go to the sampler. Now as we go to the sampler, there are many various of sound or effects here. How about we play one? As we play the effects, it makes some sounds. But we also see here some are empty, empty, and empty, which means it has no audio installed on it. So how do we install some audio on it? We go to this top right corner and press the small circle here, and then we press load, and then we install the sound to install it on the particular area where we want to put it. Now, we go to effects. This is where we can add some effects to our audios. Now, to the record is where we can start recording our voices and the things that we want to record. Now, let's go to the second one, the deck controls. We have two decks here, first and the second one. Now, to the control deck 1, how can we add some sound? Actually, let's add some songs here. But how? As you can see here, it says drag a song on this deck to load it. So what are we gonna do? We are gonna drag and drop. Now let's go. Drag and drop. Now as we drag and drop, a song installs on that particular deck. Wanna hear it? Let's play it. Let's just press this blinking button here and it will start playing. 날 스치는 그대의 옅은 그 목소리 내 이름을 한 번만 더 불러주세요 알아버린 너의 Now if we want to stop it before playing, we can press the button beside it. It is called the pause button or the stop button. Now how about we install some songs on the other deck too? Let's drag and drop. Wanna hear this one? Let's play it. Now, as we play and pause it, how about we go to the next one? The one in the center. It is called the center panel. Which is why because it is a center. Now, what if we want to lessen and raise the volume? See this lever here? We just drag it down and drag it up. For example, as I drag down the lever, the volume gradually starts to loosen up. But how about we drag it up? Now the audio starts increasing as we drag it up. Now can you see the two PFL here? The one in color is actually the one that is active right now. For example, this one has color, which means the audio in it is the active one, the red one. But if we press this one, then it means the other audio is the active one and not the other one. Now, how about we go to the next one? The rhythm window. Do you see the waveforms here? It is called the rhythm window. Now, if we play one song, the particular song on that starts to move. Wanna see it? 어두운 밤 조명 하나 없이 Now, you probably noticed that I tapped it twice. Now, if you tapped it twice, it will actually repeat. So, if you want to prevent that from happening, you have to press the pause button or the stop button. Now, you see the blue waves are starting to move, which means it is the one that is active or the song that is active. But what if we drag the blue wave? What would it sound like? It actually sound weird, but it's cool, right? Now you can see at the top of the rhythm window is the time. It is where you can tell how much time you're spending in editing here in Virtual DJ. Now, can we listen to the song one more time? 어두운 밤 조명 하나 없이 익숙해지면 안 되는데 그게 더 익숙해 마지막이 들리는 It's actually interesting as they're both playing but the other one doesn't have a sound because of the volume. Let's once again raise it up. Now, these are just the parts or the five interfaces and the zones of Virtual DJ. Now, it can actually help you learn more about how to use Virtual DJ.